Then we are done the sketch, so we'll go to the next step, that's the layout. Okay, now I'll create another layers. These layers will be the layout layers and the sketch layers in here. As usual, that we will load the opacity in here and start with the sketch. My favorite liner pen is G pen, this one, and I always set around like 8, so that is the number that I'm using. And we will start from the head to the toes. So let's go with it. I will choose the black colors. So later, if I want to change the light color, I will create a clip layer and change the colors in it. I will show it to you later. And when you start to line, I recommend that because you first time you're drawing, you must have a lot of time to practice it and just draw slowly. You can go to the corrections in here and put it as the number as big as you can, and with the correction numbers in here, just like the stabilize in pencil side, it will help you make the line a little bit slowly so you can have a good line. It's not make you feel like it's slippery, and when you line art, you better use the short line. Yep, with the short line like this and make it fast. Don't draw slow like this. Short line and quick like this. Short line and quick like this, and then you connect them together like this. Yeah, that's what I'm meaning. And for the hairs in here, adding a little bit details. Just follow your sketch and light it. I must say that the important things when you light your work is your wrist. Use the pressure in your wrist, move it around the wrist, not the whole of the arms, and you can see the result is better. And when you think that you can light in the same direction anymore, you can use the arrow down button on your keyboard to flip the canvas, and then you can continue with your light work. When you light your work, of course you will make a lot of mistakes because drawing digital is really different from drawing in traditional way. So don't worry about it. You can use the undo button by holding Ctrl or Command with Z, or you can use the eraser and start again with your line. Remember that just use the short line and connect them together. You can see the result is really different when you intend to use the long line. When you line the eyes, the upper eyelid is tend to bolder than the lower eyelid. When you draw the straight line, if you are not confident in drawing them, you can have two options with that. First, maybe you can use the shift by holding shift and click to another positions, and you can create a straight line. Or maybe you can go with the snap tool. Just go with diagonal snap or horizontal or vertical snap, and then you will connect on the line together. Then you are done with the straight line that you want to be. With the sword, I will ignore it and line through it, because later I want to make some effect like glowing it. That's why I want you to line in this sword. With the circle line in these pictures, I will use the circle snap to make a ruler so I can draw it fast and perfectly. So we are done the light work. The next step I'm going is coloring.